So we're doing a poison bird drill with Hank. We got our bird boy here, and we're throwing it across where he's got to run under the arc to go get it. But we're shortening it up each time. We're getting it closer and closer to this line. So the closer that gets to this line, the harder it's going to be for him. But he's done really well. So we're just slowly moving the mark in closer to challenge him a little more, because he's line to blind every time. So we want to challenge him a little bit more this time and see how good he can do. Mark. No. Good, Deborah. Good. Good. Back. And the bumper's laying right there. Pretty good. We're going to try to shorten it up one more time, because we got one more bumper out there. Just teaching him about a poison bird. Attaboy, good. You can't pick it up. This would be if we're out hunting, we knock down 2 birds, and this bird is dead and this one's alive and swimming off. We need the dog to go get it. So it's a concept he has to learn. Good. Good. Sit. Sit. Drop. Good. Good. Hey. So we're going to try to shorten it up one more time from that spot. All right, shorten it up a little more on this one. See how good we can do. If he tries to pick it up, we'll just handle him. Here. Good boy. Good. That's good, Hank. Drop. Good. Here. Sit. Sit. Mark. Kind of hard to see with that glare. Sit. And that one's about. So the line to the blind is here, and there's the bumper. This will be a little tougher for him. No, dead bird. Good. Good. Back. There's the bumper. Pretty good. I'll take that. Just building communication with the dog, what we want him to do. We told him he can't pick that one up. We need him to run a blind. Attaboy, good, good, good. Good. If you think you're really good, you throw it right on the line, but that's going to be, we're not going to do that. And we don't want him to switch when he goes by it. Here! You got to be aware of that. That's a good boy. Good. 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 Sit. Good. Drop. Good. Where you mark? Good. Hank. It's just a blind drill. We're just brushing up on our control a little bit more. Duck season's about to start, so we're just reminding him of some little concepts that he learned a long time ago. Good boy. Attaboy. Good. Good. That's a good name. Good. Yeah. Good boy. That's good. Good. Okay. Attaboy. Good. All right. Good job.